Hey folks, today we're going to be talking about the 248 RBSW by Jayco. This is another Rocky Mountain edition. As before, we're going to talk about the front. Obviously, you have a power tongue jack on this one, and you get the bigger tanks on here. But a cool feature that I didn't talk about in my other video is you do have it's solar ready. So you can buy an external solar panel and face it towards the Lord, and you can also trickle charge your batteries with that. Follow me, folks. You have your big awning out here, okay? And if you come over here, what do you have? Outside kitchen. So you don't have the fridge, but you do get the 2 burners and you do get a sink. So you can fry your chicken out here, fry your catfish, yeah. Come over here. You do have an external shower, and then you have a walk-on roof, and then you have your tank flush. Call me about the tank flush, everyone loves that. If you take a look around, you do have a walk-around bed. Everyone loves it. It's a Simmons bed, so it's not a really cheap bed. It's a really good bed. Then if you look around here, Jayco is trying to add couches into a lot of their smaller trailers. This is a 24-foot trailer that has a couch. So that's a benefit. People love to sit back and relax and watch TV as opposed to just sitting at the dinette. So you do get a couch and you do get the bigger dinette on this one. So you get the best of both worlds. We deleted the TV on this one if you would like to. That's the easy fix. But you also get your Bluetooth stereo and your entertainment system. Check the room out in this bathroom. This is why people like the rear baths, because you get more room in the bathroom, and as you turn around, you get a true medicine cabinet. And look at that. Look at all that storage. All right, and then you got, of course, you got your sinks and you got your kitchenette. We all know about that stuff. You guys are really awesome. You keep us in business. If you guys have any question, this trailer is on sale and I can make you a great buy. Give me a call, Anthony.Fuller, the Ant-Man, 541-653-2818. Thank you.